Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Clark at the Center for Hormone Health and Wellness. And people often want to know when we treat them with these hormone pellets, it's like, how long will it take to notice a difference? And how long will they actually last? All right, wouldn't it be nice when you just place them and you're good to go as soon as you walk out the door and you're just ready to fly for the rest of your life? Well, it's not quite that simple. As we just recently talked about, the actual little minor procedure that we have to do. So once the pellets are placed, for women, they'll typically last about 4 months. For men, it's about 6 months. Now, it doesn't just kick in immediately. It generally takes about 5 weeks for these pellets to really kick in. Most people start noticing little differences in the improvement in their symptoms within about a week to 2 weeks, somewhere in that time frame, 7 to 14 days. And it may be as simple as, gee, I start noticing I have a little more energy. I feel like I'm thinking a little more clearly. I'm sleeping a little bit better. Okay, they start noticing these things as it begins to kick in. But generally, it does take about 5 weeks to truly kick in. With that, then, how long will it really last? Okay, again, for women, it's usually about 4 months or so. For men, it's about 6 months. The difference between the two is for men, we have to treat them with higher doses. With a little larger pellets, therefore, subsequently, they do last a little bit longer. So men don't need it quite as often. Women, it's usually about 4 months, but that can actually be anywhere between about 3 months all the way to almost 6 months. And everybody's a little bit different about how long it takes to completely wear off. And so subsequently, yes, once you start noticing, how do you know that it's worn off? Once your symptoms start coming back. Once your symptoms start coming back, typically it's time, hey, it may be time to get this redone. Usually, again, for women, about 4 months, men, about 6 months. Have other questions? Just give us a yell here at the Center for Weight Loss Success. The email, success@cfws.com. And the phone number, 757-223-0940. Take care. You have a good day.